Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis, daily analysis for the gold for 24th of June 2025. Let's see what's happening in the market. And we start with Forex Factory as usual. What news are coming for tomorrow? And we only got one heavy impact, Fed Chair Powell speaks, and then we got two low impact, CB Consumer Confidence and Rich Manufacturing Index, and all of them at 3 o'clock. If you trade in gold, you may see that different this 1:30 p.m. news can give a little bit move to the gold cat news. Uh, so just be aware of that. So now we go to the chart and see what's happening. Okay, we're approaching the end of the month and monthly is bullish. As you can see, weekly is bullish. It's been tested. This area has been tested, as I said before, yesterday, for yesterday analysis. And now it's a double doji and daily. And I'm expecting the move to the upside. You can always mark this is 3,400 is the first level. And you go on 3 days, see what's so once this level is broken 3,400, we can go for next target. But let's see in smaller time frame what's happening. That's 4 hour now. We have quite a bullish candle in 4 hour. Market is still running. And yeah, this is the first target. And once this is broken, then we can see 3450. So that's the next target. Currently, you can see in 4 hour, we were bearish before, but now we have become bullish in 4 hours as well. And of course, in 1H, we're bullish as well now. So what the market did, broke this level, retested this, and let me remove all this and you'll see. So broke this level. In fact, this area is broken, but another way of looking at it is if you class this as a retracement, which you can then see. So this wick is now broken, but this here, look, this is broken here, this area. Also, the structure level, the way the structure is, you can clearly see it's bullish. You always go to smaller time frame and you can get multiple confirmations. 50 minutes. So the way the market is moving, keep testing the bottoms and keep moving. We can see the market can come here around here before it goes to the upside. So going back into 1 hour, you'll see. So this is the important area. Then go to, then we got this important area, 3350 area, around 3360. From there, we can buy, look for the buys. We got 4 hour already bullish and 1 hour daily already bullish. So these are the area we're looking for buy. Let's go back in 1H and up to 3400. Obviously, we'll say some more like that. May see it like that. So I think that's it for now, and there's nothing much apart from that. So just follow the level and structure levels, and if you know any other indicators like RSI, you can follow that. Especially when you do when you look for the confirmation, you make sure when you take a trade, you look for the confirmation. You should look for the confirmation. Yeah. So that's it. I'll leave this to you guys now, and I hope this is useful. Thank you very much, and have a good day, good night. Bye bye.